And things are getting bad here in Apalachicola, and they are getting bad fast. Take a look behind me over there. What you see on the other side of those pilings is the Apalachicola River. Those pilings are supposed to be where the water line stops, but as you can tell, the water has long since spilled the banks. You can also see those benches where people are supposed to be sitting, because this is a bench on a normal day. I'm sorry, a park on a normal day. That is certainly not the case today. The water is rising, and it is rising fast. The street that we are standing on, completely covered in water. When we got here about 45 minutes or so, you could still walk about half of the street, but that is certainly not the case right now. But a little more into town, we got some video that we want to show you, because it shows you just how much wind and how big these waves are. This is on Highway 98 in Apalachicola. It is a road that runs very close to the water line, but those winds and those waves kicking up very, very high. In fact, just yesterday we were doing some live shots pretty close to the water line. We were able to actually walk onto a pier if we wanted to. That is certainly not the case today. The water is very close to breaching the road. In this next piece of video, I understand that there is some flooding in the area as well. Besides the area that we're in right now, there are some places in Apalachicola and the surrounding communities that are now underwater because of this. So a lot of these businesses that sit pretty close to the water, they have been sandbagged, they have the boards up on the windows, things of that nature. Although we have seen the sheriff's office, they have been out and about making patrols, making sure that there are no problems with the businesses, making sure that people obviously don't become stranded. But a very dangerous storm.